Have a good day to all viewers and listeners, most especially to the Sinacaban ALS learners. Welcome to ALS TV and Radio ESKWELA. Today we are going to learn English communication skills with the learning competency, identify, mass, and count nouns. School learning level, elementary, with the learning objective, identify, mass, and count nouns in the sentence. Learners, are you ready? Before we will start, please be reminded that after this lesson, you are all expected to identify, mass, and count nouns in the sentence. Learners, get ready your modules and ballpens so that you can follow.
What is mass noun and count noun?
There are things in our surroundings that can easily be counted, while there are things that cannot be counted in numbers. We say it mass nouns if we cannot count it by numbers.
And count nouns to the things that can easily be counted. Mass nouns are things that cannot be counted, such as subsets, mass forms, and abstract ideas. It is important to learn mass and count nouns so that learners will be able to learn how to identify things in our surroundings that can be easily counted and cannot be easily counted. In order for us to learn more about the topic, let us hear a story about mass and count nouns. Before we will start, please be reminded that the characters and event depicted on display are fictitious. In a resemblance to actual person, place, and event were not intended and purely coincidental. It was a product from creative imagination of the writer. The character of the story, Mommy and her daughter Aldea. One evening, Aldea asked her mother to help her in her module, especially in knowing her English subject.
Mommy, can you help me answering my module?
Sure, Nak. After washing this plate, I will help you.
Mommy, can you help me with my module?
Sure, Nak. After washing this plate, I will help you. Can you read the instruction out loud?
Okay.
So I can hear?
Okay. Underline.
You read it slowly and loud.
Underline the mass noun and encircle the things that are count nouns in the sentence. Number 1. Eggs and flour are the main ingredients of baking cake. Number 2. Candies are sweet but not healthy for our teeth. Number 3. A cup of milk is good to our health. Number 4. Rice and corn belong to energy food.
Food.
Number 5.
What's that?
Fried chicken is my favorite dish. How can I answer this?
Alia, look at me. What's this?
2 plates.
Can you count this? Can you count this?
There's 2 plates.
Okay, 2 plates. How about this, Alia? This one.
Yeah.
Can you count this?
Yes. 3 glasses.
Okay. Are the example of count nouns. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, water. Can you count this?
No, it's not.
Why?
This is water.
This is the example of what? Mass nouns. Okay. How about this? Count nouns or mass nouns?
Mass noun.
Why?
Because it's 3 and it's
Okay, very good. How about this one, anak? What's this?
oil.
Cooking oil. So, is this mass nouns or count nouns?
Mass noun.
Why? Explain.
Because it's liquid like a
So you cannot count this. So this is the example of
Mass noun.
very good.
Mommy, I think I know how to answer my module alone.
That's great, Aldia. That's my girl.
Mommy,
Mhm.
I'll just read it out loud so that you'll know if I'm correct or not.
That's a good idea, anak.
Okay.
That's a good idea.
Number 1.
Mm-hmm.
Eggs and flour are the main ingredients of baking cake.
Mm-hmm.
Circle the eggs because it's count nouns. Underline the flour because it's mass nouns.
Okay.
Number 2. Candies are sweet but not healthy for our teeth.
Correct.
Candies is circled because it's count noun.
Okay.
Teeth
Good.
is circled because it's also count noun.
Okay.
Number 3. A cup of milk is a good to our teeth.
Okay.
Encircle the cup because it's count noun.
Okay.
Underline the milk because it's mass noun.
Okay, very good.
Number 4. Rice and corn belong to energy food.
Correct.
Rice underlined because it's mass noun.
Okay.
Corn is also underlined because it's mass noun.
Correct.
Number 5. Fried chicken is my favorite dish.
Mm-hmm.
Chicken is circled because it's count noun.
Okay, very good. Again, anak. What is mass nouns and count nouns again?
Mass noun is
Explain.
Mass noun is when you can't count it.
Okay.
Mass noun is also with water
Mm-hmm.
and also little pieces that is too many to count.
The count nouns. Explain it to me.
Count nouns is when you can count anything.
Like,
Like you can count how many fruits you have, how many glasses, or how many plates.
very good. Oh, excellent idea. Excellent.
What was the story all about? Correct. It is all about mass and count nouns. What noun refers to the thing that can easily be counted? Correct. Count noun. What noun cannot be easily counted by numbers? Correct. Mass noun. Why is it very important to differentiate mass nouns and count nouns? Exactly. In order for us to identify the things that can easily be counted and the things that cannot easily be counted by numbers, especially in addressing the question, how much and how many? We will use the question how much in questioning the amount of mass nouns, such as the substance, mass forms, or abstract ideas. For example, how much water do I need to drink every day? How much flour do I need to put in baking cake? While we will use how many if it refers to account nouns. For example, how many eggs do we need in baking cake? How many cups and plates do we need to prepare for the party? Again, mass nouns are things that cannot be easily counted by numbers, such as substance, mass forms, and abstract ideas, while count nouns refer to things that can easily be counted. It is very important to learn mass and count nouns so that the learners will be able to learn and how to identify things in our surroundings that can be counted and cannot be counted easily by numbers. Hope you have learned a lot today. See you next time!
Basta sa ALS TV Eskwela, kaugmaon mo, kaugmaon ko. This is Teacher Agnes Pardillo Clapanov, District ALS of Sinacaban, saying God bless and aim high!